Hey everyone and welcome to the channel. Today I've got a really helpful walkthrough for all of you Figma fans out there who have just updated to the newest Figma interface. Maybe you're still getting used to the changes, or maybe you'd really prefer to switch back to that old UI you felt most comfortable with. Well, even though Figma officially removed the simple switch back option in their 2025 update, there's actually a behind-the-scenes way that might still let you get closer to that older style interface. So stick with me because I'm going to show you step by step how you can try to switch back or at least access some related settings. Let's jump right in. So first off, it's important to know, just for a little context, that as of Figma 2025, the obvious method for reverting back to the old UI has been turned off. You might have heard from others or read online that it's impossible now, but actually the legacy function is still buried in Figma's preferences, and there's a workaround that might just do the trick for you. It's sort of like finding a secret passage in a game. It's not on the main path, but it's still there if you know where to look. So here's what you'll want to do. Open up your Figma app or browser window, and at the very top you'll see File. Go ahead and click that. It's that first menu top left, just like a traditional desktop app. Under the File menu, you'll find Preferences. This area is kind of like your control center in Figma. It's where you manage your settings, adjust your theme, and tweak your workflow. Now inside Preferences, look for an option called Labs. You can think of Labs as Figma's experimental playground. It's where they test out new features before rolling them mainstream, or sometimes keep legacy options that aren't quite gone but aren't front and center either. Once you're in Labs, what you want to do is select Reset Labs to default value. Don't worry when you click this. What it really does is refresh your Labs settings, and sometimes that can bring back old experimental toggles that got hidden or switched off in a recent update. It's almost like shaking the Etch-a-Sketch to see if something hidden will reappear. Now here's the key part. After you've reset to default, take a look for anything labeled UI3 in that area. In some cases, UI3 is the way Figma is quietly referring to the older interface. If you click that, you might still see the old layout come back, or at least something very close to it. I will be honest here. In most cases, with the 2025 changes, making this switch may not bring about any visible change as Figma is in the process of fully sunsetting the revert function. So if you don't see the old UI pop back up, don't be discouraged. Sometimes software teams lock down these options completely, but it never hurts to try these resets, especially if you're really missing your previous workflow. And remember, you're not alone if this doesn't seem to work at first. Figma is constantly updating, and these workarounds tend to come and go. If you're struggling with the new layout, maybe take a moment to get familiar with it. Who knows, you might find some features that actually make your life easier in the long run. So I hope this quick tutorial gave you a few new tools and tricks to better control your Figma experience, even as the platform changes. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and let me know in the comments if this method worked for you or if you have any other Figma tips to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.